myself.
Action.
राज, अगर वो तुमसे सच्चे दिल से प्यार करती है तो पलट कर देखेगी जरूर. पलट, पलट, पलट. हेलो, क्या चल रहा है यार?
टकेशी कासल का ऑडिशन. होस्ट का ऑडिशन होगा ना यार.
क्यों ले रहा है पर हूं ना मैं. हाँ चलिए. Corporate Retractor of the month, and today we have 4 amazing people from the club who have worked very hard in the past month. Not just 2 Retractors of the month, we have 2 board of directors for the very first time in this season yet. So without any further wait, let's get into it. Guys, how are you all? Hi. I have something to say. So मैंने Rotract सिर्फ इसीलिए ज्वाइन किया ताकि मैं प्रणति की OG hosting को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकूं, and I'm loving the experience.
Guys, this is the only energy we need. Next month से जो आ रहा है, please ऐसा सब लेकर आओ मेरे लिए. How about you? How are you feeling? Are you all excited?
Excited, little nervous.
Okay, great. So moving on.
So hi guys, I'm supposed to introduce this one Rotractor, and for all those of you who've been in Rotract for more than 2 years, आप लोग शायद अभी गेस कर लोगे ये कौन है by my next clue. She has won this honorary title almost 4 times, handling 2 avenues for 2 years. She is none other than Rotractor Aditi Shah.
Hi everyone, this is Rotractor Aditi Shah, Professional Development Director for this year. Today I am going to introduce a person who has compelled me to talk about her, otherwise she'll cut my part in this video. And one thing which is similar between us, that we are opposite to each other because she has never tasted chai in her life, and she shares her surname with one of the Bollywood famous families, which is Kapoor. I think you all know her. Kapoor बोलने पे ही समझ जाता है. So this is Rotractor Nilka Kapoor, Digicom Director for the year.
This is Rotractor Shruti Pallav. I have been told to introduce Rotractor of this month. He is a simple, smart and hardworking person who loves football. He's a big fan of SRK and Karina. The one thing you won't believe about him is he's disliked the dog. So guys, is none other than Rotractor Ashish Talpade.
Ashish Talpade. So I told to introduce my partner Rotractor Shruti Pallav, who is also a Rotractor of the month of October. We work together in a project of Joy of Giving. She is a very jolly and hardworking person. We don't know each other much, but I would like to work further.
So we'll be starting this episode with a bang, quite literally. The rules of this game are very simple. We'll be arranging 4 balloons in a row, and for each balloon they have to find a different way to burst it. But the smallest twist of this game is that at the end of each row they have a question that they'll have to answer at the end of the game.
As the Professional Development Director, one of the biggest projects that we conducted was Bingo Bridge. Can you tell us about it a little bit? Stay tuned.
So my question is, you are, as you said, one of the newest members of the club yet. Even in your first year itself, you became the board of director. How is your experience so far? Stay tuned. So hi guys, you all know my question. Apparently मैंने इसे पूरा डायरी में नोट्स बना के लिखे थे, but to be honest, RCMSC के लिए नोट्स की जरूरत नहीं है, बस दिल से आ जाता है. I'm one of the newest member in the club by date, but the friends that I've made here, उससे तो बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है. And my experience was quite different. Initially, I had joined Rotract Club as a general body member. Hardly 1 year 2 days हुआ था, and I was made the CP for Shiksha, and we educate the underprivileged members of the society, speaking skills and writing skills in English. So बस ये 1-2 दिन हुआ था, and then मेरा birthday था. I got a call from our president Parth Gala saying, would you like to be the Digicom director? And that at that time I was highly skeptical, but then I realized that why not? As a person, I'm very, very, very introvert. But यहाँ road track में आके I realized just like there are different avenues here, I got to know how to balance different avenues of my own life. Thank you.
As you all know, Lingoprit will you understand, which was we were teaching 3 foreign languages to students, our rotractors and students of Navbharat school, जिनको like facilities नहीं होती है, this all high paid courses करने के लिए. So we taught that, and it was 1.5 month long project where we covered all survival language which we can use in our day-to-day life. Like if we want to communicate anytime or anywhere with anyone in that country, we can communicate. For example, in case तुम उठे अचानक से और तुमको कहीं किसी ने उधर छोड़ दिया और तुमको कुछ बोलना होगा किसी को कि मुझे पानी चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. बेसिक इंग्लिश लोगों को अगर नहीं आती है तो you all can use this language. So yeah, this was this language, and CPs did a very good work. Shubh, Shanaya and Dhanvi. Thank you.
My question is, you are in the OC team of our mega flagship event of Asia 3.0. How is your experience?
Okay. You were in the OC of our favorite mega flagship project in. क्या लिखा है ये? अच्छा You were in the OC of our favorite mega flagship project, Joy of Giving 6.0. How was your experience?
As you all know, my question is experience about Ashae. I am OC member for Ashae 3.0. It is a fun project to work on. I am glad to be part of such a mega flagship project. So all kids are so happy and excited to learn new information, doing games and activities. So it is a enjoyable and fulfilling experience for me. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Ashish. GOG was a fun project, and this project is the best project of our club. So I was the OC member of this club. We do all packing of clothes and grains. We donate the grains and clothes in a village, Dhanu. It was a great experience to work with great people, and we make new friends. Thank you.
So the second game of this episode is a Bollywood segment. We'll play 5 seconds of a particular song, and we'll divide our rotractors into 2 different teams, both led by a particular board of directors. The teams are Nilkha and Shruti and Ashish and Aditi. So moving forward, we'll play 5 seconds of a particular song, and whichever team guesses the most amount of songs doesn't get to do the punishment at the end. Wait till the end to watch what the punishment is. So everyone, are you ready for this game?
Yes.
So obviously, अगर तुम लोग को कोई गाना मालूम रहेगा तो our team leaders will have to make a buzzer sound. So what are buzzer sounds, team leaders?
कुछ funny लेना है क्या ऐसा?
Obviously.
Ouch.
So what about you?
मैं.
Okay, so now that our buzzers are settled, it's time to start this game. So are you ready for the first sound of this game? Because I
Yeah.
want it. So 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Ouch.
Nilkha?
कमरिया हिला दे.
Of course. That's correct.
Okay.
So team Nilkha gets point 1. Sound is
Man. First class.
that's correct. Second point goes to team Aditi. So sound number 3 is
मैं
go Aditi.
Bomb didi की bomb.
sorry हमने बोला.
But he has to say
Ouch,
man.
मैंने खाता चालू किया.
So the song is Bomb Digi Digi and the point goes to team Aditi. Even though Nilkha had good spirit.
यही होता है फाइनल राउंड का.
मेरा
Ouch. गला गुड़िया.
दिल धड़क
team Nilkha wins, guys. So obviously the punishment will go to team Aditi. Are you all ready for that?
No. No.
Yes, we are ready.
The arrival of the famous rapid fire is no surprise to anyone. So I'll just get on with the twist of this episode, and the twist is that we'll give all our Rotaractors a yoga asana, and they have to stand in that or sit in that yoga asana while we ask them the questions and while they answer rapidly.
Yes.
Can we see your pose? Okay, so your first question is Ladakh or Maldives?
Ladakh.
Your favorite Varun Dhawan movie?
मैं तेरा हीरो.
What made you join RCMSC?
Joy of giving.
One friend you made after joining this club.
Anuga Patil.
Which is your favorite song and can you sing a little bit of it?
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना.
Okay, that's great. You can go back. Thank you so much. Are you ready?
I hope I am.
Okay, so let's see your pose before we start.
Okay. I hope I succeed.
Okay, so your first question is dresses or pants?
Dresses.
Writing or reading?
Writing.
Why is Saina Nehwal your favorite player?
Because I love playing badminton.
One dialogue from your favorite movie.
बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है.
Your favorite memory after joining RCMSC?
Actually, all my memories are favorite. If you ask me to choose one, then installation, because that was the time when I realized, there is a responsibility on my head and I need to follow it.
Wow, that was amazing. You can come back now.
I failed.
Favorite Tarak Mehta character and can you imitate him?
Jethalan.
Can you say a dialogue of his?
Nonsense.
Your favorite travel destination and why?
Switzerland.
Your favorite food is misal. So do you like Kishore's misal more or Vaibhav?
Kishore.
That's my boy. What are your career goals and what business do you want to get into?
Pharma.
Wow. Your favorite Shah Rukh Khan movie and can you sing a song from it?
Dawn.
And a song?
मुझको पहचानियो मैं हूँ Dawn.
That was a great one.
Oh,
Nice. Can you show us your pose?
हो गया.
Okay. So your first question is, would you prefer international service or professional development?
Mama. International service.
Street food or restaurant food?
Street food.
Your favorite Ye Jawani Hai Diwani character?
Aditi. Naina.
Your favorite song?
Ranja. For now.
And if you could have any post in this club, which one would you choose?
Any post. I'll choose hard choice between ISD and PD.
The ones that you already have.
PD? I'd like to experience and explore it more.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Okay guys, as you all know, this team lost our very first game and their punishment is very simple. All they have to do is do the chicken dance 3 times. Are you all ready to watch it? Because I am. Bye. 3, 2, 1. So guys, we've finally come to the end of this episode. कैसा था? How did you all feel? थोड़ा जोर से बोलो guys, आएगा नहीं आवाज बाहर.
नहीं आएगा.
हम बोलेंगे तो इनकी वैसे भी आवाज नहीं सुनाई देने वाली है.
Okay guys, तो पूरा एपिसोड तो हमने निकाल ही लिया है, but that's the सबसे favorite ritual बाकी है, wherein all our Rotaractors of the month get gifts and they get to sign and be all bougie. So now you can go on sign your forms. दिखाओ यार कैमरा को. You're fooling nobody guys, हम gifts देते हैं. Next episode.
Guys,